Hi guys, we're back with taking care of the earth, and I'm going to start on page 6 and read for a little bit. And your job today is to listen to listen for the idea of what you know about recycling. So as I'm reading, you're going to be listening to what do you know about recycling, or what are you learning about recycling? And that's going to be for the journal prompt. So it'll help you. And if you find while I'm reading that there's things about recycling that you notice, go ahead and underline them. That's why you have a copy. You can work in it, and then that way it'll give you your answers. Okay, so I'm on page 6. And here's page 6 with the looks like they're doing something there, and there's the next page. There, okay? Awesome. You probably use a lot of paper, metal, plastic, and glass at home and at school. Instead of throwing these things away, think of ways to reuse or recycle them. Paragraph 2. You can reuse cardboard, paper, and newspaper for art and craft projects. Instead of buying gift wrapping paper, you could make your own. Decorate old brown paper shopping bags to make book covers. Aluminum cans can be made into pencil holders or lanterns. Some artists use recycled scrap metal to create beautiful art. Okay, we're on page 7, top of 7. Of course, you can't reuse everything yourself. That is why recycling is so important. Other people can reuse things you can't. Plastic, such as old toys or empty bottles, can be recycled into many useful things. Sometimes they may simply become new bottles, but they can also be turned into furniture, building materials, and speed bumps on the road. Aluminum is another good thing to recycle. All those aluminum cans can be melted down to make new cans. And the caption to this picture on page 7 says, "This playground equipment is made from recycled plastic." How cool is that? The rubber at the bottom of our big toy, that too. Page 8. Okay, I'm going to read page 8 and page 9. Glass is a special type of material that can be recycled over and over again. Old glass containers should be put in special recycling bins. Old glass can be made into new bottles and jars. Glass can be crushed into very small pieces. Sometimes these pieces are mixed with paint to make the paint reflective or shiny. Here's the caption to this. Reflective paint made with bits of glass help drivers travel safely on the road. Well, how cool is that? Okay, page 9. Recycled glass is also used to make building materials. Glass is used in insulation. Insulation keeps a house warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Bricks and roof tiles can also be made of recycled glass. Sometimes recycled glass is used by artists to create beautiful pieces of jewelry. Before you throw away a glass bottle next time, think about what it could become if it were recycled. Recycling is one of the best ways to protect the land and in your community. Recycling is one of the best ways to protect the land in your community. It reduces the need for so many landfills. If everyone recycled, we would only need half the landfill space we use now. Okay. We're going to stop there for today. I'm going to put my little bookmark in. But my question for you again to think about in your journal is, what do you know about recycling now? Because you'll be expected to write a couple things. If you can't figure it out, Go back through the text, even from the beginning, and find 3 things that you know about recycling for your journal today.